What's up, guys? It's your girl Goldilocks here, and we have another one of our struggle trees in our struggle tree series. This one obviously is one of our pink trees. Now, I already did a video with 3 different looks for our pink struggle tree, and this video is just going to be more detailed explanations on how I did one of those looks. This look here is going to be the silver tree, and if you haven't already watched that video, link is in the description. Check it out. Also check out the playlist so you can see how we decorated 4 different struggle trees. All right, so we're about to get started with this one. We're using white lights for this one. We're also going to use some silver bulbs, and on top of that, we're going to use Frosty the Snowman as our tree topper. Oh, and don't forget silver garland. Now, as you can already see, this tree comes with lights already, but you know, we need to add a little bit more for a little bit of razzle dazzle, if you know what I'm talking about. So here I'm just gonna put on some more white lights here. These lights were really, I think they're only like, I don't know, 3 or 4, maybe 5 feet at the most. I can't remember, but they're not very long. I got these, of course, at Dollar Tree. I did a whole Dollar Tree haul, so if you're interested in seeing how I got all of these decorations, including our cute little gingerbread man over there, go check that out. Again, link is in the description. But again, all these came from Dollar Tree, so a lot of them are smaller in size. They're mini, so they're actually perfect for our tree. And that's how they look when it's all lit up. Ooh, isn't that fun? Good looking tree already, and I love the color of this tree. It is so bright and pretty. It just, I don't know, I love a pink tree, and the fact that this one is so bright just makes me super happy. And now we're gonna put on some garland, because of course garland always makes the tree pop. I think garland honestly is my favorite decoration to use on a Christmas tree, because it's like so unique to like Christmas trees. I know you can put garland other places, but I mean, when you think of garland, you think of Christmas trees, and there's like so many different kinds of garland that you can use and so many different materials. I don't know, I just really love garland. Like, it's my favorite part of the tree. It makes the tree awesome, and I love it. And for this tree, I really like the garland because obviously it's a struggle tree, so it's not a tree that's gonna be like super full and thick and bushy or anything like that. Like, this is a tree that's gonna be a little sparse, so your decorations are going to make the tree, right? And I like garland for these trees because they're so small, and the garland like gives them a lot of volume, which they obviously need. Okay. Now, while we are still, you know, putting our garland on, please guys, make sure that you like the video. It helps me out a lot, and then of course gives me a nice warm and fuzzy feeling when you do that. It makes me super happy. And also subscribe to the channel. Please make sure you hit like the notification button so that you know you can get alerts for my fabulous decorating ideas, or what we're doing at least for the holidays, right? So yeah, so this garland was like pretty long, so I literally was able to wrap it from the bottom to the top to the top to the bottom. I think maybe it was like 6 or 7 feet. I'm not sure how long the garland was, but the garland was way long for the tree, which was cool because it all worked out. All right, and so now we're just gonna put on our bulbs. These bulbs are neat because they come in different sizes, or not, excuse me, sizes. They come in like different styles. Some of them have silver on them, some of them are shiny, some of them have a little texture to them, some of them are matte finish. So they all really reflect the light in different ways, which is super cool. And boop, there we go. Frosty is at the top of our tree, looking good, styling and profiling. And as you can see, the tree turned out so lovely in my opinion. Let's get a closer. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, put on your shades, it's blinding me. Love this tree, guys. Hope you loved it too. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.